Hi friends, this is King Bomb Tech. Welcome to my channel. Now I am introducing one of the important topic in Java 8 features, that is method reference. You see, in the program we writing one lambda expression for providing implementation of the interface name test. Inside the interface one abstract method name check and later the referencing that check method. In the program lambda expression may be give a little bit confusion. To avoid that confusion and implementation separately in one method, and later if we want to pointing that method, we have alternative way, that is method reference. The same program we rewrite by using method reference. The representation of method reference is double colon. In this example we have one test interface. Inside the test interface one abstract method name check. Inside the main method we defined the test t equal to lambda double colon check, where t equal to reference data type of test interface, lambda is a main class, and double colon is a representation of method reference, and check is a method name. We can use method reference on top of the following programming elements: one static methods, second non-static or instance method, and constructors. You see left side how to create thread by using lambda expression to call user defined method. You see a main class lambda, inside the lambda one static method m1, and inside the main method we define the runnable r equal to no argument lambda expression of method m1, where r equal to reference data type of the runnable interface, and thread t equal to new thread of function argument of r, means thread object is created, then t dot start is means that start method is executed. You see right side how to create thread by using method reference to call user defined method. In this example, one main class lambda, inside the main class one static method m1, and inside the main method we define a runnable r equal to lambda double colon m1, where r is a reference data type of runnable interface, lambda is a main class, and double colon is a representation of method reference, m1 is a method, and then thread object is created and start method is executed. Note that every method reference internally expression like that below the lambda expression m1. Now you see how to communicating non-static method by using method reference. In this example, interface test, inside the test interface one abstract method with, and then uh, public class method reference inside the which method is defined, and then inside the main method we defining the method reference mr equal to new method reference, and test t equal to mr double colon which one, means that t is a reference data type of the test interface and mr is a reference data type of a method reference class, and double colon is a representation of method reference and which method, and then the call the which method. You see by function, it is available 1.8 onwards in the java.util.function package. By function is a functional interface. It takes two arguments and returns an object. Its signature is like that public interface by function generic types of three argument. T is a first argument, U is a second argument, R is a return type of third argument. And by function have a two method. One is apply method, second is add then method. One example is that import java.util.function.by function public class main, inside the main method by function generics of three argument, integer integer integer, three types. Okay, then bi equal to inside the first bracket two argument of lambda function a plus b, then one add method is executed, then sop that output is bi dot apply 2 3, first argument 2 and second argument 3, and 2 and 3 are going to be first method, then a plus b means that there is a return type is integer in store in a bi. Okay, then bi dot add then means where the store a is stored in 5. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10, then return the output, that output equal to 10. Example on method reference and lambda expression to interact with static method. Okay, one addition class, inside the addition class one addition method with two argument a and b with return type is integer. Okay, then main class method reference, inside the main method we define the by function of three integer generic types, bi equal to inside the first bracket a comma b lambda expression with a plus b, and the second thing is that by function of three generic types bi1 equal to a comma b lambda expression with curly bracket return of a plus b. We know that functional programming no need to return keyword. It is optional. It's no compile time error. Okay. It's but it's a bad programming. Okay. Also, one step ahead is a by function, three integer generic types. AMR equal to addition, method reference addition. Okay. Then AMR is a reference data type of a by function interface, and addition is a class. Okay, class name, and a method reference with addition method. Okay, and then apply method, we know that apply method to apply that method and return the integer type to store the k value and then output it. You see example on method reference for overloading static method. First class addition, inside the first class method names are same, three methods we have, then methods name are same but arguments are different. Okay. Then inside the main class method reference, inside the main method we define the three objects but arguments are different for overloading the addition you method. Example on method reference to communicating with non-static method. The previous example is with static method. This example difference is non-static method. The same things are different is by function, three integer type generic types. AMR equal to new addition, method reference addition means new additions means the reference data type of addition class. We use the non-static method. When we static method, then we directly put in addition class here. So this is the difference to the previous slide. Okay. You see example on method reference to communicating with constructor. It is a good example. Okay. Previous slide we communicating with static method or non-static method. Now you see that communicating with constructor. Okay. First in we have a test interface, then one class addition. It's have a one constructor with our two argument method integer type. Okay. Then inside the main class we define the test t equal to addition double colon new. It's mean that t is a reference data type of test interface. Addition is a class name. Okay. Then double colon is a method reference. New keyword is denoting the constructor. It is a very good example. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Class notes are available in below description. Please subscribe us. Please subscribe.